Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, children, in previous class, we have completed 5B textual exercise in companion. Isn't it? Today we are going with the 5C companion textual exercise. Open your companion page number 35, children. See what it's there. There are some rules that should be followed in a library. Isn't it? Have you ever visited a library, children? లైబ్రరీకి ఎప్పుడన్నా వెళ్ళారా మీరు? Yes, most of us we will go to libraries to read books. So there some rules will be there to follow. Isn't it? You must not make noise in a library. Isn't it? Otherwise we can sing or we can talk in a library. No, we must not make noise in a library. Look at this image of a library. Write sentences to explain what people should or should not and must or must not to do. Okay, that means in a library lo em cheyali em cheyakudadu. Okay, by looking at this picture we have to write some sentences. Okay, children, by using what? By using should, should not, must not. Okay, let's see now. First, see children here what it's there. Okay, we should not tear books or we should not eat and we should not talk in a mobile phone. Okay, otherwise we should not use mobile phones in the classroom. Okay, right here children, W E we must, MUST must. Okay, we must not, NOT not, we must not. Okay, we must not, sorry, this is TEAR, tear. Okay, we must not tear pages, PAGES, pages of the the books, BOOKS, books. Okay, we must not tear pages of the book. Next children, what we must maintain in the library? We should maintain silence, right? We must, MUST must maintain, MAINTAIN maintain. We must maintain silence, SILENCE, silence. Okay, we must maintain silence. Okay children, next, WE we should, SHOULD we should not what? Eat. Okay, or we should eat in the library or we should not eat in the library? We should not eat in the the library, LIBRARY, library. Okay, we should not eat in the library. Next, should we use mobile phone in the library or should not? Should not. Okay, WE we should, SHOULD should not, NOT not use, USE use. We should not use a mobile, MOBILE mobile. We should not use a mobile phone, PHONE phone. We should not use a mobile phone in the library, not in the class, in the library. In classroom also we should not use the mobile phones. Okay, see children, like these 4 sentences. We must not tear pages of the books. We must maintain silence. We should not eat in the library. We should not use a mobile phone in the library. Okay, children? Write like this. Okay, complete this. These sentences you can write. Rather than this, you can add some more sentences, or you can write a few sentences by your own also, like this. Okay, this is about today's English class, children. Tomorrow onwards we will go with the next textual exercises. Okay, children, thank you so much. Have a nice day.